So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can replace the battery that comes inside your key fob. So first thing you want to do for your key fob is go ahead and you can pull this little notch here to the right. And what this is going to do, once you pull up, it will go ahead and reveal the key that it is for your key fob right here. And then there are two ways to get it open. You can go ahead and I usually use my thumbs here, and then you could either pry it open like so, or if you have like really big fingers like myself, you can go ahead and use the key here, slide in, and then you can kind of pry this open just like so, just like that. And then it reveals the inside of your key fob. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and locate the battery. This side over here with this plastic, you just want to keep as is. And this is the side that you're going to focus on. This section here is currently hiding your battery. So all you have to do, flip that upside down. And then that reveals the portion here that contains your battery. So removing the battery, I know it could seem a little bit tricky. You know, you can't get your fingers underneath there or anything like that. So there are two ways that you could do it. One, preferably you can use a flat object that is hard plastic, or if you don't have one of those, you can go ahead and get this, which is a nice little fork. So you can see right here, it has the little cutout, and all you have to do is just take your fork, pry it under here, give it a little bit of force, and your battery just comes out. So one of the things that you want to do is you're going to have to remember the orientation that your battery came in. So remember, it had all the writing here, and that was facing up. So all you have to do, go ahead, toss this old battery out, replace it with the new battery. Inserting should be a little bit easier. So all you have to do is, like you see these little grooves here in the top, you just angle your battery a little bit, maybe at like maybe a 20-degree angle or something, and then it should slide just right in there and it should snap in place. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to find the orientation. It only goes in one way. So you'll see here, this one has like an edged angle, and that matches up here. All you have to do, slide that in. And once that's done, you do the same thing. You match up the edge here with this. Make sure it's just lined up in place. Make sure everything kind of sits flush. And then all you have to do is just use a little bit of force to press it down, and then you should hear a click, just like that. And that is all you need. See here, pressing, the light comes on, we are good to go. Then just take your little key here, slide back in. Now you're good to go. That's how you replace your key fob's battery.